Hey guys, James here and welcome back to my channel. Just the other day when we were starting up the CX-30, we got a little message on the instrument cluster saying that the key fob battery was low. The message only appeared once and it hasn't come back, but I figured that because these batteries are so cheap, might as well replace it, right? It's a bit of peace of mind just to know that I won't get stranded or my wife won't get stranded when we take the CX-30 out. So I figured I'd make a quick how-to video for you guys on how to replace the key fob battery. The first thing you need is a CR2032 battery. These are really common and they're really easy to get on Amazon or, Walgreens, CVS, wherever. You also need a small flathead screwdriver like this one. There we go, now it's in focus. Yeah, just a small one to pry things open. First thing you want to do is look on the side with the keyring loop. You'll find this little latch right here. And what you want to do is pull that latch with your fingernail. And what you'll notice is that when you pull that latch, this cover moves that way, okay? When it moves to the side, you can just peel it off like that. Don't use any force to pull it off. It should come off with zero resistance once it moves sufficiently to the side. Next, we can take this off here. And now look for this section here. So this is the side without the keyring loop. And you'll notice these two tabs holding it in place. So stick your screwdriver in the middle and just give it a little twist to take that off. Okay, now we're going to take this side off. Take your screwdriver and put it into that hole in the middle there and kind of nudge it around, give it a little twist, kind of just get the cover off little by little. You can move the screwdriver around to pry off different sections. Be very gentle. This part is probably the most finicky part of the whole process. And just gently and gradually pull this cover off. And now we see the cover that goes right over the battery. So there's a little arrow right there that you want to pay attention to. And it's telling you, well, put the screwdriver there and pry it open. So then this cover comes off just like that. And voila, there's the battery. To take out the battery, check this out. There's a little groove in here on this side of the battery for your screwdriver to go in. And oh, there we go. It comes right out once you get the screwdriver in the right place. So this thing comes out. And notice that the positive side, of course, is on top. So now we're ready to put the new battery in that same orientation. There you go. And let's put this water-resistant cover back on as well. And to do that, you want to stick this end into that little groove there and then snap it into place like that. And now we want to put on the cover with the Mazda logo. So notice that this cover has that prong right there, and that goes into this hole right here. So that's the orientation. It's not this way, it's this way, right? So put that in there and then gently snap things into place. Awesome. Next, let's put this piece back on. Notice these two tabs right here. Those will go into these little slots there, like so. And now we can put the physical key back in. And so notice that there's like a little round piece right there and this rectangular piece here. Those are the things that hold the key in place and don't allow it to rattle. And the last step is to put this cover on. And there is, again, a correct direction for this cover. So notice these three hooks. They need to hook onto these three parts right here. So put it off to the side and put things in place and slide it into place. And there you go. We are all done. And of course, you'll want to dispose of this little guy properly, however that's done in your community. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. And if it was, if you could hit that like button, that'd be awesome. And also hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. My name's James. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.